so since a lot of you have been asking what's the difference between lightning diamonds and electric diamonds, I'll just go on ahead and take a video of them side by side. It sometimes varies with the lighting how the electric diamonds would look, as it changes color from red, green, blue, purple, and gold, but I'll try to take it as much as I can for today so I can show it to you. Alright, so here is a diamond painting of Zuli, and her name has been written in electric diamonds. So can you see the rainbow colored beads? These are the electric diamonds. It is very, very different from the regular opaque beads that we have here, like the one that you see that is in magenta and also in light pink around ZULI, but this is electric diamonds. And over here is Rocket's name amidst regular beads, and this also is in electric diamonds. As you can see, it changes from pink, red, purple, gold, green, sometimes blue as well. And on the bottom is Reggie's name in electric diamonds. So how is this different from lightning diamonds? Let me show you now how lightning diamonds look. And that is what we have used for the Diamond Shop name. So this is the Powder Burst name painting with Diamond Shop for the name, and this uses lightning diamonds. Can you see that it does not change color like the electric diamonds, changing from purple, green, blue, and so forth? It basically just switches from either white or silver. Once again, electric diamonds, and lightning diamonds. I know that the lightning diamonds hasn't received as much attention as the electric diamonds, but it really has a very unique effect. And one way to really be able to see this is to see it side by side with the regular beads. I mean, these are regular beads. We've got them in hues of pink and also white. But then amidst the lightning diamonds, that's why we called it lightning diamonds, is it looks like it does have light striking through each bead. It's a more subtle look than the electric diamonds, obviously, because this glows like Swarovski or like rainbow colors. And so it's got a more I suppose, attention-grabbing element to it. But the lightning diamonds actually have like a very, very sparkly, glam look to it. Like bling bling, like actual bling bling. They're lightning diamonds, electric. Lightning diamonds, electric. So hopefully this kind of gives you guys a little bit more of an idea what the difference is between the electric and the lightning diamonds. And from afar, we can't really tell as much because it's very bright right now. It's in the mid-afternoon in the Philippines as I film this.